Alright, so in this video, we are asked to solve 2 raised to the power of what? Sine square x plus what? 2 raised to the power of what? Cos square x equals 3. Okay? Where our x ranges from what? 0 degrees to what? 360 degrees. So look at, this is what we call what? Mass Olympia question. Now let's start. Solution. Now, recall that cos square x plus what? Sine square x is equals what? Is equals 1 from trigonometry. So when we make cos x the subject of formula and this move to the other side, we have 1 minus what? Sine square x. Now replace this cos square x by what? 1 minus sine square x. So when we do that, we're going to have 2 raised to the power of what? Sine square x plus what? 2 raised to the power of what? 1 minus what? Sine square x equals what? 3. Now from indices we can reduce this to this. 2 raised to the power of what? Sine square x plus what? 2 raised to the power of 1 all over what? 2 raised to the power of what? Sine square x. Because of the negative what? Index. Okay? And this is equals what? Equals 3. Now, from here, okay, from here, let us represent P as what? 2 raised to the power of what? Sine square x. So that anywhere we see 2 raised to the power of sine square x, we're going to let it to be P. Is that okay? So from here now, we're going to have P plus what? 2 over what? P is equals what? Is equals 3. Now, when we clear the fraction here by multiplying out by what? LCM. Okay? The LCM of this is what? Is P. So multiply through by P. P times this equals what? P squared plus P multiply this. P will cancel out P. We're going to have what? 2, which is equals what? 3 multiply P. We have 3P. Okay? So from here now, we're going to have P squared. Then when this crosses become minus 3P, then plus 2 is equals what? Is equals 0. So when you see this, when you look at this now, you say, oh, reduce this to what? Quadratic what? Equation. Of course, we know how to solve quadratic equation. Let us use factorization method. Now here we're looking out for 2 factors of what? 2, such that when you multiply, give you 2. When you add it, give you what? Minus 3. So what are those? Okay? Or we'll have, you see, minus 2, minus 1 can do the job. Because minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 1 is what? Is minus 3. So we're going to factorize this. So we have P squared minus 2P minus P, then plus what? 2 is equals 0. So now we're going to pair them what? 2, 2. Here we're going to have, what is common here? P. Open bracket. P squared divided by P is what? We have P minus 2P divided by P is what? Is just 2. Then minus what is common here is minus 1. P minus P divided by minus 1 is what? Is P. Plus P divided by minus 1 is what? Is minus 2, which is equals 0. Then we pick one of this, which is what? P minus 1. Multiply by pick one of this. P take away 2, which is equals 0. Right? So from here now, we shall have that P minus 1 is equals 0, or that our P minus what? 2 is equals 0, right? So we can solve for P. P is equals 1 or what? P is equals what? Is equals 2, right?